So on April 16th, OpenEX made a tweet says some users have encountered crash on certain Android device while trying to complete the Mission X in OES app due to the conflicting underlying rips. To address this, a new common mission C will be made available soon for address verification. So the next tweet they made, they says OpenEX have teamed with Comyash for Mission C. We celebrate meme culture and invite you to bring vibrant meme coin to the OES community, this and that. So what they actually asked us to do is to go ahead and first of all, what you need to do is to go over to this particular link over here, and update your app. So if I click on it now, it's going to take me over to where you can update your OES app. So you can see if you click on download from Play Store, it's going to give you the old version which we are currently using. But what you have to do is to click on download from GT Hub. Don't worry, I'm also going to place the link in the description of this video for easy access for you guys. So if you click on download, it's going to download. I think I've downloaded it already, but I've not installed it on my, I've not updated it on my OES account. So I'm going to click on it now. This is the app here, this is the version. So I'm going to click on it and then update it, update my OES app on it. So this is it. I'm now updating it. So I'm done updating it now and I've entered my password. So it's now loading for me to log in. So after updating your app, you will see this particular one that says Mission C. So let's click on it. This is for those of us that couldn't complete the Mission X. That is the mission of the Twitter, the Twitter mission. So this is the Mission C over here. But first, make sure your account is in Core Mainnet. So this is Core Mainnet, and now it's going to show you the amount of core you have in your account. So first thing is that you need to have core, that is the real core in your wallet that you sign in your OES app. So as you can see, I'm having 32 core on my account. So this is it. So this is it right now. So if you don't have core on your account, all you have to do is just to click on receive here and go ahead to any exchange where you can buy core, buy any amount of core. Look for anybody, all these WhatsApp vendors, buy small core from them, maybe 1 or 2 core from them. You are going to use it. So next thing you have to do is to go over to this particular place that says trade. So if you go over to trade, as far as you are in common net in this your OpenEX app, is going to give you this particular thing. So we are going to buy this particular core. So I'm going to spend 0.01 core to buy this 75.71 million pieces of this meme coin called com. So let me click on, after the loading, I'm going to click on buy com. So as you can see now, it's showing me trade success. So if I go over to my mission section over here, you will see, let me just click on mission here and then click on Mission C. Is going to load and show me how many core and com do I have. So after the network is loading, so what I have to do now is to click on submit, and as you can see now, I have completed the whole thing. So I have now completed the whole mission in the app. So I've completed my Mission C, which is very simple. All you don't even need to have up to 1 core in your account. Just have any amount of core that you can use to swap this, so you can use to do spot trading for com, and you are done with the Mission C. And as far as you have completed the whole missions, it is done for you. You can now wait for your airdrop. So I'm also going to do this for all my family members that I did call for. I did that mind with Satoshi this OpenEX with me. They don't know anything much about it, so I'm going to go travel this week and run it for them before the countdown ends. So this is it. I hope I've showed you guys all the mission that you need to do. It's very simple. Everything you need to do is just switch your network to common net first, then trade core 0.1 core, 0.02 core, whatever, to this com meme token, and then click on submit, you are done with the whole task. So once you're done with it, the whole thing is done. It's very simple. So after everything, you can still go back to long testnet, OES long testnet, because that is the network we are supposed to be using in this testnet. Anyway, my name still remains BK, and this is ABK Crypto. See you guys in my next video. Bye.